Welcome back to Creative Aid. You wake up in the morning, but you are super tired and have difficulty opening your eyes. Well, let's take a look at some of the things you can do to wake up instantly. Start your day with some pleasant memories. Then inhale and exhale deeply for 30 seconds. Massage the back of your head, your eyebrows, and earlobes. This will help with blood circulation. Step away from the hot cup of coffee and drink a glass of cold ice water instead. The cool water will wake you up and rehydrate you for extra energy. Need even more? Splash some ice cold water on your face or rub an ice cube on your temples or wrist for a brisk awakening. Next, create an atmosphere. Look at the sky. Use bright colored dishes for your healthy breakfast. You can also try to chew minty gum and simply laugh. One reason laughter is so therapeutic is that it releases endorphins, just like exercise and massage. Those feel-good hormones not only help to dull pain, but they can also give you more energy. So take a few minutes to watch that hilarious video that everyone has been talking about. You'll laugh your way right into a better day. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.